Nollywood actress Doris Ogala has expressed concern over a video where Yul Edochie was seen singing a romantic song with Judy Austin. Edochie posted the video on his Facebook page, which sparked reactions from the actress, stating that Yul might be in danger. Oludipe Oluwasanmi David, popularly known as Spyro, has shared a photo of his old neighborhood which he compared to his present living condition, as he recently bought a house and a car. Spyro took to his social media to thank God for moving him from zero to owning a house. Popular Nollywood actor Junior Pope Odonwodo was full of praises for women who get married to actors. The actor made the comment after a video of him locking lips with an actress surfaced online. Do you think Yul Edochie is being blackmailed?